UVeye sets the global standard for vehicle inspections, scanning and exposing mechanical issues, dents, scratches or faults, and enabling faster data collection and objective decision-making. Introducing Atlas, UVeye's fully automated drive-through solution for inspecting the vehicle's body and exterior. Atlas is being used from paint shop and end-of-line inspection in manufacturing lines to the aftermarket, supporting insurance providers, fleet managers, rental agencies, dealerships, and more throughout the mobility industry. UVeye's deep learning AI platform analyzes Atlas's high-quality, multi-angle images to identify any issues and create objective documentation of the vehicle as it moves from point to point along the automotive life cycle. We invite you to connect with us to learn more about how UVeye and Atlas are changing vehicle inspections.